Alright. I am recording the screen now, theoretically. What? Oh, I see. It's... Okay. Okay. How do I get the tray back up? Show. Okay. May as well just... Alright, well now I know how to do that. Alright. So this is the your work section. Let's do number 1. Use the MS Access 2010 Table Design Wizard and Relationship View to create a database that meets the specifications of the supplied ERD and data dictionary. Alright, that means this. The supplied ERD and data dictionary. All this crap here. All that. Alright, so let's start Access. Access is this thing with the A on it. A stands for access. And a key symbolizes access. Okay, now you go in this file name thing here and you put Ryan Fraser is a homo underscore Macklemore. And I think you can do that .accdb, but I'm pretty sure it does it automatically. I don't think I did that on mine, but it says something about that in the assignment. And click create, and then this thing comes up, and you just close that down. Okay, hold on guys, I got a beep. Katie, did you put subs and functions in your part B, Derek? Of course he did. He's not an idiot. Alright, back to this. So now you want to click on the Create tab. This thing right here is the Table Design Wizard. So you just click that and then you get this. Alright? Now go back to your assignment ERD. So basically we're going to make 4 of those little things. First one is person. So person, and then it's got PID. Alright. So the first field is PID. And then in this you always go like number. And leave the descriptions for now. I'll show you a sweet way of getting those descriptions in there after, like really easy. Okay, actually we should be able to just like do this. Oh, you piece. Okay, here like this. And then just make the Okay. And now let's scroll down the data dictionary. See, it says all the info about stuff. Right here, PID, alright, integer, you put number in for the access. Okay, so we got PID. I wonder if we could scroll over and see, like, yeah, okay, so for varchar you just go text. All this is just text. Text, number, date, time, whatever. Okay, so there's PID. And this one's the primary key. So what you do is you go in this little area here, right click, primary key, and then it has a little picture of a key there. It's cute. And then you go P name, yeah, that's text. P address, yeah, that's text. P phone, yeah, that's text, because we don't want them to do math on that. And alright, so that's it for this table. So then what you do is you go up to this thing right here, the table, right click, and you go save, and then you go, that one was called person. So you just name that person right like that. Click OK. Alright. Boom. Right there. Okay. Then you go back to create. Table design. Now we're going to be doing the next one. So let's friggin' scroll down here. We got a person table. Next one, appointment table. Alright. Oh, you stupid piece. Okay, so this one's going to be our appointment table. It's got AID, primary key, always number, primary key, a date. Date is date time. I don't like how that start time looked, so, but whatever, just do what you just do it. Okay, A start time. That's date 2 or date time. And A PID. That's a foreign key, so it's going to be a number. It's got to be the same data type as where it was the primary key. Okay, so then you do the same thing. Save. Appointment. Okay. Create. Table design wizard. And you see how we got appointment there now. It's whatever. It is what it is. Now we want to go there. Service. Let's just scroll down here so that we get all those. Okay, so service has an SID, which is a number, which is a primary key. And you actually, is like pasted out the descriptions in here, like pasted this. These are the descriptions, so you just paste those or copy them and just paste them into here. You don't actually technically have to do that because he couldn't really. I would actually probably do it because he'll come over and look. So see, I'll just do one example and then you can do it for the rest because I'm not going to mindlessly do all that. So like, let's say you go SID, just go like this. Control C. Go right in here. Control V. Okay, do that for all of them. Every field is on this table. Okay, so now we got S name. We know that's text. S cost per unit. We know that that's gonna. We want that to be double. But we're just gonna go number for this now. Okay, and then S mins per unit. I think that's kind of like how long the appointment was, but whatever, who cares? Mins per unit. That's gonna be a number as well. And like before, we're gonna go up here, and this one was called service. Okay, save. Service. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to do the table, which is called APP-SVC, which is a bridge between appointment and service, but who really cares about that? All we need to know is we need to name this after app SVC. ASID. We know that's the primary key. So we make it a number, make it a primary key. AS quantity. Well, here too, if you can see what he wants it to be, like integer there, that'll matter after when you. Ooh, look what that does. Cool. Lines. Alright, so it says integer, but here we just do number in this kind of wizardy thing. Alright, and then the other ones are foreign keys. ASID. And we know that the foreign keys can be numbered. Does that mean everything's an integer here? It does. Alright, so we got AID, SID. That's a number. Make sure that they're hiding down here anywhere. I really hope this little bullshit program doesn't like come up and be like, blah 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 blah, trial only records for 10 seconds. No, looks like we're still recording. Let's just check on. Oh, dope. Yeah, we're still recording. Sweet. Alright. So it looks like that was the end. So we're good. So now we go back into Access here. And this table, if you remember, was called APP SVC. Okay. So now we got all our tables created here. So now all we do, now this is the relationship part. You click right here. Right, this thing says relationships. So you just click that. And then you go Control A. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, just hold Control and click on all of your tables that you just made, all of them, and then go Add, and then Close. Alright, so first thing what you want to do when you look at this screen is you want to go, okay, which one of these do not have foreign keys? And then put, those are the parents. So you go take them to the top. So that one got no foreign key. This one has no foreign key. This one has 1 foreign key. This one has 2 foreign keys. So it's like even worse of a child than the other one. Alright. So then what we start doing is we start dragging the primary keys to the foreign keys. So you click on the primary key that matches. See how I just clicked on PID and now I'm holding, drag, drag, drag. Put the point of the cursor on the foreign key that it is and then just let go. And then this pops up. Hit that, hit that, hit that. Create. Oh yeah, I forgot. If this thing comes up, then you just go okay, cancel. And that just means that you got to close these because you can't actually start mucking with stuff when you have these open and being edited. So you just have to close all the design views. See, you still have your tables here, but you just close those. So now I just have my relationships tab open that I got from clicking that relationships thing. Now you drag the PID to the APID. Enforce, cascade, yes, create. See, and now it makes that one-to-many there. And now the next thing that you do is you just connect them. See this, take that AID. Well, this one's got an AID primary key, or foreign key. So just drop her there. Enforce referential integrity, cascade everything, create. Alright. And this is kind of, this one's got an SID. So we take that SID down there. Enforce, cascade, create. Maybe like go like that. And your guys are done. You created your database. And we could just, I wonder what happens when you do that actually. You probably have to know that for the demo maybe. Let's see what happens. Oh dear. Yeah, that was probably not a good idea. I wonder if we could just Control Z that. No. Wait, what the? Okay. So if you screw up like that, just press delete on each one. Screwed up everything. Okay. So that's basically what you have to do. Just take a screenshot of this, and that's your part 1 screenshot. Not hard. And then you just, if you want to input stuff, just double click these. Alright, that one, I'll probably end this screen recording and do another one for the second part. See if that, okay, stop, you beast.